I'm gonna take you to my grandma's room. When she sleeps, she snores. I'm gonna take you in there. Let's go.